Alright, YouTube. So, right now I'm going to go ahead and connect the Fire Stick to the HDMI switch and go ahead and test it and see what it does. First off, what is on his face? Okay. Nonetheless, come over back here to the HDMI switch. Now this blue one here is my PlayStation. I don't need it, so I'm going to unplug that, plug it into my box, not his box. Oop, sorry about that. Okay, so then on this side right here, that's where I'm going to plug the Fire Stick. As you can see from the front, it's going to go in like that. If you try to plug it in like that, you'll get a lot of resistance. Don't do that. Please don't. Oop. It's a little difficult to do one-handed, but ooh, sweet. Got it in. I can feel that the power cable goes in on that side. So, I currently have a bunch of things plugged in. So, I'm going to unplug all of my USB powered stuff and take the Amazon data cable, or USB cable. Plug that in down here. Take the other end of this. Okay, so it should go in like this. Once again, yeah. Well, I'm going to pause this for a minute because I need two hands to just plug this into here. That's literally it.